Hello people, this is expert trader coming up with a people coming here FX robot. So I want you to take a look at today's history. Today alone we'll be able to make about $122, as you can see. Just today's trades, right? Let's look at what we've been able to do throughout last week. Over 400, as you can see. 400, there you go. Okay, so let's look at the entire deposit. So these accounts started with a deposit of 800, and then we able to make a profit of 400 using my EA. So if this isn't proof that this robot works, then I wonder what is. Okay, so I want you to send me a DM, send me a WhatsApp message if you want to get this EA. As you can see, this is a live account. And also I want you also to take a look at this second account I'm going to switch to. So take a look at this account. Let's go to the history. As you can see, there are trades running on this account. As you can see, the robot. As you can see, these are live trades. So let's take a look at the history of this account. Today, this account has been able to make 48 today alone. Okay, so let's take a look. So far last week 268, and then last month 316. So total profit 316, deposits 1058. All right, so this is beautiful. Look at it, this is beautiful. So DM me now if you want to get this EA, quite affordable.